If I don't break the bench.
I wouldn't be able to step up there.
Zach, come here. Hurry. Come here.
Come here, Zachary. Zachary.
Brianna, pull Zach away so he doesn't get hit.
It's going to be hard because he's going to be swinging at Zach.
Zach, you don't want to get hit.
Come here, buddy.
Stand right there and watch.
Watch them.
Aww.
What?
Zach, he's just cute.
Aren't
you supposed to like spin them 3 times and leave it standing still?
Yes.
I think that was this is going to be a practice round.
Oh!
One.
Try again. Swing.
She can see.
Oh! Go ahead, hurry. Swing. Swing. When you just
Oh, look at Zach. Look at Jeremy. Look at Jeremy.
He's not very happy.
He's wanting to do it himself.
Hurry, Zach, get your candy.
Get your candy, Zach.
Zach.
Oh,
No one for you.
Hurry, Zach.
Hurry, Zach, grab it.
Hurry, Jeremy, get some more.
Look at Jocelyn. She's just shoving it.
Look at Kelsey. Just pulled her. Jeremy, get over there with Kelsey. She just poured the rest out.
Good.
go get by Jocelyn.
Jocelyn and Kelsey were smart. They took the pinata and just started dumping all the candy out.
What'd they do?
Nothing. What you got, buddy?
What you got, Zach? What is that? Oh. What is it, Zach? Let me see. Huh? What is it? Candy.
Somebody's missing out on it.
She can't have any other candy. Get her away from that.
Does she have a sucker?
Here, just put them all in your pocket.
Somebody be nice and give Molly a sucker, please.
Here, go put it in your pocket.
I'm done.
What you got? Whoa.
Look.
I see. Who's that?
It's mine. It's mine.
Who's that?
Mom, do I have to share? Mom, if I got a whole bunch, do I have to share? Mom, if I got a whole bunch, do I have to share?
Who's that? Hmm?
There's somebody